I tested Bolt, Lovable, and Replit. And here's the honest truth: if you're building apps with AI, this will save you time and money. All three tools help you build apps using AI. You can generate code, launch projects, and even deploy without writing everything manually. Let's start with Bolt. Bolt is fast and focused on simplicity. You describe what you want, and it generates a working app quickly. It's great for beginners or quick prototypes. Now, Lovable. Lovable is more polished and structured. It focuses on building full products with better UI and flow. It feels more like a complete app builder, not just code generation. And then Replit is a full development environment in your browser. With AI features, you can build, edit, and deploy all in one place. It's more powerful, but also slightly more complex. Here's the main difference: Bolt is best for speed, Lovable is best for polished apps, Replit is best for full control. Looking at features, Bolt is simple and quick but limited. Lovable gives better design and structure. Replit gives coding, hosting, collaboration, and flexibility. In terms of ease of use, Bolt is the easiest to start. Lovable is still simple but more guided. Replit has a learning curve if you're new. Now, pricing: Bolt and Lovable usually have usage based pricing. Replit has free and paid plans depending on how much you use. So Bolt is great for quick ideas. Lovell is great for building real products. Replit is best if you want full development power. So which one should you choose? Choose Bolt if you want speed and simplicity. Choose Lovable if you want cleaner production ready apps. Choose Replit if you want full control and flexibility. All three are useful. It depends on your goal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.